Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. The reggae world is mourning the loss of one of its iconic voices, as veteran singer Coco Tea has passed away at the age of 65. His wife, Malvia Scott, confirmed the heartbreaking news to the Gleaner, revealing that the beloved artist died at 4:46 a.m. this morning at a hospital in Broward, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, after suffering a cardiac arrest. Coco Tea, whose real name was Calvin Scott, was a renowned figure in the reggae music scene, known for his soulful voice and the impact he made with his timeless hits. He gained fame in the late 1980s and 1990s with songs that resonated with audiences worldwide, particularly in Jamaica, where he was a household name. His work spanned a variety of themes, from love and romance to social and political issues, earning him the admiration of fans across generations. Throughout his career, Coco Tea collaborated with many other greats in the reggae genre and helped to shape the sound of an era. His music, deeply rooted in reggae, calypso, and dancehall, remained a source of pride for Caribbean music lovers. As news of his passing spreads, tributes from fans, fellow artists, and industry figures have begun to pour in, remembering the man who brought so much joy through his music. Malvia Scott, in her statement to the Gleaner, expressed her grief, stating that the loss was devastating and that Coco Tea's family, friends, and fans would deeply miss his warmth, talent, and love for music. Coco Tea's passing leaves a void in the reggae community that will be hard to fill. But his music will continue to live on, serving as a reminder of his extraordinary contributions to the world of music. As the reggae world reflects on his legacy, fans worldwide will forever cherish his unforgettable sound and his profound impact on the genre. Rest in peace, Coco Tea.